This is Simple Ukulele. We're in the Essentials of Ukulele Book 2. We're on page 28, example 46, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley, and we're going to strum to this. We're going to be using Strum Builder 6 down at the bottom of the page, and they're using a reggae beat all on the upbeats with down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now each time after you strum down, damp with the palm of the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you get that rest. You don't want that to ring through what's supposed to be a rest. So we'll do 2 measures of intro and come in on the 4th beat of the second measure for singing, and we're going to take it nice and easy. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.